Hello everyone, this is Cam. Welcome to my channel. So today I'd like to talk about the steering problem on a Range Rover Sport, especially this shape. As you can see, starts from 2011 to goes all the way up to 2013. So problem with this one, when you steer it, when you drive the car, basically it gets stiff. So it's not stiff all the time. You can turn a little bit and then it gets stiff, and then you push it hard and then it releases and you get stiff again. So for that problem, I saw some blogs on the internet and everything. I've checked all the forums and everything, and a lot of people saying there is so many problems with the. Some people saying the steering rack needs changing. Some people saying the pump or the drive belt or a lot of other things. So I'm not 100% sure it's going to be the same problem for all the cars, but I would say at least 90% of the cars has got no other problems, but still it's getting stiff. The problem with the steering knuckle, you don't have to change it, you just have to the steering knuckle gets seized, so you just have to release it and re-screw it or something, or readjust it. It shouldn't cost you more than 30 to 40 pounds from any garage. It's not even a 1 hour job, probably half an hour job. So if someone knows what they're doing, just take it to them and tell them to check the steering knuckle on it. So it must be stiff, because all these Range Rovers here, I know a lot of people, I know a lot of dealers was having these kind of problems, and I would say 9 out of 10 dealership had the same problem, and the problem was the same, like the steering knuckle problem basically was seized. So they just got it done within less than 50 pounds. So don't spend hundreds and thousands of pounds. So at least you know now that's the common problem with these Range Rovers. If the knuckle is okay and then still doing that same thing, it might be the steering rack or something else, but at least go for the knuckle. Alright, so thank you very much guys for watching my video, and make sure, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it to get notified every time I upload new helpful videos. Thank you.